Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique here on Anique Budgets. And on here we do cash up and budget and paying off our debt and mind our business and not necessarily in them for order. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, child, and join the family because we would love to have you here with us, okay? So as you can see today, we are going to be doing my budget with me, y'all, because I got paid, young, and getting paid. And so with that being said, we're not about to waste no time, so let's talk about this money, okay? Let's budget with me. Let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so per usual I've zoomed y'all in so y'all can see all my business. Okay, let me move so the light won't be, blocking. But yes, so we have zoomed in. We're going to talk about how we are going to basically girl speak, how we're going to be budgeting this money, okay? So how much did I get for this paycheck? This paycheck I got $955.42, okay? That is it for this paycheck right here. And oh my god, thank you to the person that bought a copy of the Royal Budget book. Shout out to you, thank you for buying this. And also shout out to everyone who's also downloading off of my Ko-fi page. So go ahead and check it out. There's free printables there. There's also this budget book that you guys can have, that you can use, get all of these paycheck budget, monthly budget, all of the above things. And so go ahead and check it out. But yeah, y'all, this book and the Ko-fi saving challenges, top tier. But yes, it's been going phenomenal. So shameless plug, y'all. There's March savings. There's a March Madness saving challenge. There is freebies for me reaching 100 members on Ko-fi, 100 followers on Ko-fi. There's also the March budget bingo. Child, is you budget bingo. There's March budget bingo. There's so much that is available to everyone out there. So go ahead and check my Ko-fi page. It's Anique's Budgets on Ko-fi. But back to the budget, y'all. So yeah, so my salary, my income that I'm planning for is $955.42, right? And in my expenses, what I like to do is I like to put my bills that are going to fall underneath that budget or underneath that paycheck in this section on the expenses. Now, one of the things that I have not done, I forgot to do, or baby, these things just keep popping up, is that I just have extra stuff that happens, and so I just put it on here and I'll go with the flow and work it out. So the first things first is my dad, Merrick. He gets $100. So these are my regular bills that I know is going to happen regardless of what I think. The next bill is Netflix, which is $24.60. My CapCut, I don't know how much that is, but the last time I checked it, it was almost $7 for it. Because CapCut works over here in Asia. Child, tongue twister or what is happening? But CapCut works over here in Asia, so I'm able to use it, edit all of the things. They be doing the works, child. And so I don't know how much that's gonna be, but I'm budgeting $8, like I said, because it was almost $7 the last time I did it, right? And so the next thing that I always consider a bill as well is my investing. I would always consider that a bill because you must pay bills. I know that's right. I know you ain't letting your bills go overdue. So I always put investing as a must pay for me because it always helps the girl out, you know? So now you guys will think that I'll be done here for my expenses, but I realized, back it up, I have a couple more bills that I need to put on here. Because, child, the bills ain't gonna stop just because, I want to do what I want to do. Now, I would love to do saving challenges, but baby, okay? So, one of the things that I am also adding on to this bill is my aunt's shipping. I sent an iPad to my mom in America because I couldn't ship from Korea directly to my aunt in Canada, child. So, I had to ship to America and then ship to Canada, and so the shipping to Canada portion was $55. I know, expensive broads, okay, expensive broads, but I was like, okay, cool. Then also I went to dinner with a couple of my coworkers, and I went to dinner because it was one of my coworkers going away, and I like him, so we cool. So I went to dinner and I spent $21.71 on dinner. Absolutely delicious. So yes, okay. And also while I'm out there, because I'm big bag, double bag, triple bag, whatever you want to call it, I also got cheesecake. Yes, I did, from a different place, which is across the street from it, and that is the Santa Rosa. So I got dinner and we got dessert. I know, that's right. And in my head, y'all, I had budgeted a $50 is what I said I was gonna spend there. Obviously, I didn't spend $50. I spent $30. It looks like, which was great because this is like $29.99, child. Is this $29.99? It's $29.98 for these two together. But I said I was gonna do $50, but I didn't end up doing that much. I only did $30, which I'm super grateful for. So yes. So that now becomes an expense that I want to pay because on my credit card, it's not in my budget. I do have allowance of stuff and some extra money and stuff, but these are not in my budget. So I'm literally putting them under expenses so I can pay for them, and then I can save for whatever else I know is happening in the future, right? Then the last thing is CapCut, and this one is my February bill. So I bought CapCut in February, child. It's a whole tongue twister. I bought it in February, but I didn't have the money at the time to pay for it, and so it was just on my credit card sitting. Obviously, I wasn't gonna charge interest on it because, you know, the girl was paying other bills and stuff, so that charge passed by. But I still need to pay for that charge that's on my credit card because once all the final, you know, the dust is settled and everything, it's still gonna have that charge on there. So that comes up to $6.29, and that's what I'm saying. This CapCut here in February, I put $8 because, you know, you always bump it up because I am working out for currency conversion to make this payment for this subscription that I'm using. So I don't want to underbid, and then now I don't have enough money, and now I'm just out of budget. So I did $8 because I felt like that would be, you know, that seems reasonable for what it's going to be. So when you calculate all of my expenses, $60 plus $8 plus $96 plus $55 plus $21.71 plus $8.27 plus $6.29, my total for my bills comes up to $319.87. I know, that's right. $319.87. So from that $955.42 minus $319.87, we have a remainder of $635.55. Okay? So now I'm gonna go down here into my cash envelope section, which is right here, and we're gonna basically put some money towards our everyday binder, aka our cash envelopes. Now I think I forgot to put, but tithes is gonna be $96 as well because I always do 10% for the Lord. Okay, He been blessed. Let me tell you something, God been blessing me, so bless the Lord. And I'm gonna do $0 for miscellaneous, and then I'm gonna come back up to groceries. So for groceries, I don't really need a lot of groceries, so I am going to do $10 here. Gas, I do need some money in gas because, let me look real quick because, listen, one thing about it, two things for sure, I will check a cash envelope to see if I have enough money or if I'm going to need more money or whatever. So I have $10 in gas. And how much I have in here, because I know I have to. Okay, see, this is the thing that they teach you about budgeting, or someone should teach you about budgeting. Even though you are making this paycheck now, what are you doing for the future? Like this bill, like I said, or this paycheck, like I said, is for a 1 week time frame, so it's paying for the bills in a 1 week space. However, I do have some stuff that's coming up which I won't get another paycheck, you know, after my next paycheck to pay for this, and so I need to account for those, and I know that I need to pay for this hair care, which is going to be $170 including tip, and then I also need to pay for the taxis to get there. So all those things I'm thinking about when I'm creating this budget. Even though this budget is supposed to last for 1 week, it's also accounting for the future things that I need to do and making sure that all my envelopes have what they need to have. And so that's what you need to do when you're basically doing your budget. So I'm $20, $40, $50 in here, and I know that I need to pay for this here. So, and I need to get about $190, $200. So, you know, when I get there, I'm gonna get there. But for now, I'm gonna put $10 towards gas. I'm gonna put $5 towards allowance. I think my toiletries is good, so I'm gonna do $5. I still need to buy body wash, but that's okay. It's fine. I'm gonna do $5 towards household because I'm starting to wind down because I'm leaving Korea soon, and so moving, child, is gonna be, oh my God. maybe that's what I use my home envelope for, like to pay for moving costs, because baby, as much as they're like, oh, the government's gonna move everything for you, baby, it still costs you some money to do some stuff. So yeah, we're working on that. But yes, so in the next 3 months I'm gonna be moving and everything, so I am basically winding down. I'm not putting more money towards certain things for now, even though I'm gonna need it later for different things for our next home. We're working it out in our heads, but for now, what we're focusing on and what we need, $5 will be great for it. And then, like I said, the hair care, I do need a lot more money in there. So I have 50 right now, and I'm going to do $95. Yes, I'm going to do $95 in hair care. So my cash envelopes come up to 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 95 plus 96 plus 0. Okay. And so it comes up to $221. $226. Okay, and we're gonna subtract 635.55 minus 226. Leaves me with 409.57. 409.55. Girl, I don't know what is up with me right now, but I don't know why I cannot read numbers. It's crazy. Cause girl, what? Come on. Oh, this is something that I am recently starting, I really want to tell you guys about. So my emergency fund, right? My emergency fund is basically my digital payer of any bills that I have, and then I will transfer money from my physical, aka my cash envelopes, back into my cash envelope binder to basically reimburse emergency fund. So I have a whole, but yes, I have a whole bunch of money for emergency fund, and so I need to do some transfers. I need to do some upgrades and stuff. I have over $300 in emergency fund, which, ooh, girl, please, okay, please. I'm thinking, you know, what I'm gonna need to do. So I need more money in my digital. So I have $409.55. And I'm going to leave my emergency fund for this paycheck digital only. And that is going to be in the amount, because I always use a difference. I'm going to do $39.55. Actually, I'm going to do $49.59. One thing that I also realized too, and this is something that you should think about when you're doing your budget. I realized that I wasn't putting enough money in my emergency fund, because I'm not even at $1,000 in my emergency fund. Pause. Don't come for me. I have money in different places, different spaces to get me if there's an emergency. But my actual emergency fund, beside that $300 in there, I think I'm up to, I want to say $600, and I'm trying to get to the $1,000 mark as quickly as possible. But I wasn't putting money in my emergency fund like I wanted to do that, right? So that's a goal that I have for myself. So I basically decided, we need to up to, you know, do that. I know saving challenges are cute. We love them. We live for budget bingo. However, the important thing is, while everything else is for emergency, if anything happens, obviously we're going to use some money for emergency. Having some money digitally that is able to be used immediately, and also having some on cash, because I have all of these envelopes to be used immediately. Having both, the best of both worlds, is literally the goal. And so I'm deciding, yeah, I'm gonna up my digital deposits, like I say, because my cash deposits come from all the other binders, and me using my digital to pay on my credit card to basically whatever expense I buy. So $49.55. All that say, $49.55 will be going to emergency fund digitally. Home is gonna get $10. That's for home maintenance. Car maintenance is gonna get $10. Car insurance is gonna get $5. My travel is going to get $50, because I do need to pay for hotels and stuff. It's gonna get $50. My birthday is gonna get a $20. Home is gonna get $10. Clothing is gonna get $5. Family birthday is gonna get $5. And then skincare is gonna get $10. I am thinking, so here's the thing with my skincare. I wanted to go to a spa and basically do my skincare, but I'm low-key deciding 10, 10, 5, 50, 20, 10, plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. I'm low-key, high-key deciding not to go to that spa. And the reason I'm deciding not to go is because I want, oh my God, I still have so much money to go towards 7 challenges. Yeah, I squirrel. But I'm deciding not to go to that spa because I want to use the money. I'm basically saving up to buy all the Korean skincare products for when I leave. Okay, because baby, to buy it online and to come back expensive. So I'm trying to save up the money to buy for when I leave. And yes, okay, yes, because I'm a stack up. So 409.55 minus 125 is equal to 284.55. So that is remainder 284.55. That's what we have remaining, which is it's still a lot. I thought it was going to be way less than this, but that's still a lot. That's a lot of money to be putting in saving challenges. And I'll live for it, so it's okay. Okay, so, right, then my 1 month ahead, I think I'm going to do, how much is this? What is 284.50? Girl, I know that's wrong. Let's try this again. 49.55. Hold on. 49.55 plus $10 plus $10 plus $5 plus $50 plus $20 plus $10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. Yep, 174.55. Because I was like, wait a minute. Where's the 55 cents? Okay, let's fix this. Because, no, we don't got that much money. Alright, let's fix this. So, it is 174.55. Boom. So, from the 409.55 minus 174.55, we have $235. Okay. Looking cute, looking cute. So, $235 is what we now have available, y'all. And so, I'm going to do $20 to 1 month ahead. And we are going to do $15 to subscriptions. And then we're going to do the $200 towards saving challenges. And that is beautiful. And so I have $235 towards saving challenges to play budget bingo, to play March Madness, to play money roulette, to play all of the things. Okay? All the things. And so that is $0.00 there. And so my total is $0.00 here. I hope y'all saw the entire thing. I'm so sorry. I hope y'all saw it. Y'all probably didn't saw the cash envelope portion, but that's okay. And yeah, your girl has no debt. So, and in the day I put them in my expenses section to pay those debts. So yeah, but that's basically how I'm budgeting this money. This is my 15 paycheck salary. Basically all the things I think about when I'm doing my budget, what you should think about when you're doing your budget, and basically how I would move my money and flex on them. Okay, flex in my emergency fund and all that good jazz. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped somebody, because bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Hope it helped somebody. And yeah, my name's Anique. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't mine.